Hi, hello again. Last night I cooked a Friday night takeaway dinner, and the theme of the dinner is Chinese New Year. The dessert for the dinner was peanut cream. I managed to shoot the video of preparing the peanut cream while I was busy doing other things, so it was a very busy time in the kitchen. The peanut cream is a very simple dish, very simple dessert. And if you like peanut, it's good. If you hate peanuts, sorry, this is not for you. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And in my video, I share with you my food adventure every day. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think somebody else might benefit from it. So let's go and see what's cooking. To make the peanut cream, you would require smooth peanut butter. Cream the peanut butter with some water. Then you add the sugar. Then you thicken it with the corn flour. So here is the peanut cream. Yummy. So here is a peanut cream. Yummy. So there you go, my very easy peanut cream dessert. I hope you find it easy enough to follow. It's a very simple process. So until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think you learned something from my video. So until the next time, thank you very much for your time. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you very much. Thank you.